guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Trisha and it is cooking with. So guys, I'll be cooking for you steamed fish and I'm gonna put a little tough crackers in there. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscription button down below. Please like the video, share, comment, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Trisha cooking steamed fish over here. So guys, these are all the ingredients that you will need. These are some diced pumpkins, some carrots, pepper, okra, thyme, onion, the whole works, even potato. And we have grace, so everything nice with grace, and 2 fish, 2 snapper people, because guess what, we have 2 snapper people because I just 2 away, 1 for me and 1 for E. So guys, stay tuned. And they are already skilled, guys. I'm just gonna be rubbing my knife over the fish to ensure that all the scales are off, and I'm gonna be washing the fish thoroughly. Guys, steamed fish is one of the easiest things to cook, easiest thing to cook, people. And if you can't cook, no worry, you have to learn to cook today. Once everything, all scales are off, the next thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be washing the fish inside and outside. Take out the gut, everything. I think the gut then gone already, nothing in the fish, but me I ensure that them really gone. Wash your fish thoroughly, people. Use some lemon juice. Take away the rawness of the fish. Rub it, people. Don't be afraid. Rub it. I'm gonna be just slicing the fish to ensure that extra seasoning go in the fish. It's gonna be a very flavorful fish. We need to wash the fish until the water is clear. And I said the lime takes away the rawness of the fish. So these are what the fishes are looking like. Just 2 small fish, 2 small snapper. Alright. So what I'll be doing now, guys, I'll be adding my Maggi fish season. About 2 tablespoons, people. A Maggi fish season. Or 2.5. You don't want to put too much, Remember, steamed fish, and all the niceness don't come usually go in there. You don't want to overwhelm the fish. I'm gonna also be adding my black pepper. Next thing I'm going to be doing, grating a couple garlics, about 3 garlics. And you can blend up it if you want, but I am grating it. So yep, good to go. And apart from the grated garlic, I'm just gonna be adding some thyme. Not much, people, not much. Rub it. Alright. So this is basically perfect. You can open the fish and even put in the thyme in there. Alright. Put a little pepper on it too, people. Just a little bit. I'm not going to be making it too peppery, So guys, this is what it's looking like after pre-seasoning the fish. The next thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be adding some water to the pot, adding my ingredients. which are basically these. I'm going to be allowing them to pre-soak for about 8 to 10 minutes. And these are pumpkin, carrots, okra, corn, all the lovely stuff. So guys, I want a lot of sauce. So this is more than 2 cups of water. This look like 3.5 cups of water because I want enough. I want enough sauce, people. So it depends on how much sauce you want. You add the amount of water. But this is about 3.5 cups of water. The next thing I'm going to be doing that noodle. I'm also be adding some fish noodles to it. So I'm not only be putting pumpkin, but I'm going to put the fish one in order for it to have a nice flavorful fish taste. But the pumpkin one in order for it to have the color, and the thickness that I want. So I'm currently straining the noodle, and this is the pumpkin noodle, and this is half. So I'm using half and half a pumpkin and half a fish. And the reason why I'm straining it is for it to have a refine, for it to be really refined. So that's why I'm straining it. Alright. If you don't mind the noodles, you don't. And all the good stuff. And then also the Irish. The only thing I'm not going to be adding is the okra, because the okra is really soft already, so you don't want to add the okra too early. So I'm going to be adding this. I'm going to be leaving it for 10 minutes covered. I think I'm going to add some Maggi season as well, fish season, because your pot needs to be flavorful. I'm going to put the remainder time and garlic as well. 1 garlic. I'm going to be covering my pot right now. I'm going to leave these to soften for 8 to 10 minutes. So guys, this is what it is looking like. Ooh, after 10 minutes, it's still tough. And I want it to be soft, so I'm going to be giving it another 5 minutes. I think it's the amount of water that I put in there. So yeah, giving it another 5 minutes because I want the pumpkin to be, mashable. So yes guys, I just added the fish. I'm gonna be giving it 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna be adding the okra and giving it another 10 minutes, and then voila, them done. Guys, this is just delicious. I wish you guys could taste it. My god, it's delicious. The next thing I'm going to be adding, I'm going to be adding some butter. Steamed fish is not steamed fish without butter. That's my opinion. Remember, fish not take too long to cook, guys. So just a tablespoon of butter. I'm going to be adding the other ingredients, which are my okras. And I want enough sauce now. Remember from day one, I said I want enough sauce? What sweet stuff, people. Yes, guys, the absolute last ingredient is the water crackers. Guys, if you could just smell it, it smells so good. Be very generous with the crackers, people. Be generous now. Be generous. Does it taste good? And it tastes wonderful. So guys, we're just gonna give 5 more minutes, and after 5 minutes, I'm gonna be turning the stove off. So guys, this done. Finish. I'm gonna be sharing out my platter, let you guys see what it's looking like. You know, but it's absolutely delicious, and it and this is how you prepare steamed fish. Mighty God, let me show you. No, have a good look at. Guys, believe me when I say this tastes good. It's bad. It's a laugh. Jesus. Mighty God. Food must be sweet. So, guys, just follow the recipe. When you can't go wrong. If you never know if it's steamed fish, you know if it's steam it today. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscription button down below. Please like the video. Please share. Teach your friend to teach your friend how to cook. How to cook some good steamed fish with okra. Bye guys.